Incremental readings. So let's continue the Pleasurable expansion of the Supermemo course. So what are the contents? The original video, playlist, had 16 videos. We could simplify that each video is a section. Templates, layouts, space repetition, elements outstanding. There are some that are out because they are not taken into consideration on this reaction course. I already did them apart. Yeah, for instance, you have templates, 1.3, and why 1.3.2 is a space repetition? Why is like a subdivision of templates and not 1.4? Why postponing, advancing, and spread, which are batch operations, are not in batch operations when he already has two? I don't know. Why there's no 1.3.1? It goes to the 0.2 directly. Same here. I don't know. What do I know? This is what I will follow. There are 19 sections, not 13. Remember that I'm writing to 13 videos. I divided this differently. So this is what you will see on this course. What's Supermemo and what is not. The philosophy behind Supermemo on top of the 3 videos that I already covered. Then what happens the first time you run Supermemo and you're lost? That, oh wow, yeah, you need to input the license key, but to make the context. Then the layouts is not that relevant, but because it's so poorly designed, Supermemo, this needs to be covered right away. Or every time you open Windows, it will be an absolute mess, and perhaps it's not using the entire screen and all of that. Then about your Supermemo collections, it's just an overview. Then the elements, because in Supermemo, everything is an element. Then the styling, because it looks terrible, you can amend that to your liking. Then the templates, element parameters, which this is quite extensive. Then particularly concepts, which concepts is one specific element type, by the way. But there's a lot of things to learn from concepts, especially for incremental reading. Then the operations you can do on an element by element basis, one by one. That is relevant to know. Then this is more soft, instead more on the use cases rather than the hard features of the loading flow. Then batch operations. So what you can do instead of one element, in many elements, and then on the collection. The difference is that batch operations, it's in bulk, many, and collection operations, it's everything or nothing. You cannot choose a subset, a selection. Then flashcards. Again, this is massive. There's a lot here. Then subsets or subset review, subset learning. This is particularly interesting for incremental reading and most of the flows. Rather than, oh, you can do this, you can do that. It's no, let me use one genuine case and what's the flow. Then space repetition, I will include everything he covers, even if it's at some degree not required, is not unique to Supermemo. Then the incremental reading flow is the more important thing, and it will be the one that will save you more time, because hey, it's just an overview, connect the dots, everything you have seen before, and it's not covered by Fowl at any point. And if you want to expand this, boom, this video. So you have like a catalog. It's like a recommendation of my channel, could I say. So you can watch the videos that you want, like a preview. Okay, I will consider this is useful, this is not useful, and so on. And the last one, knowledge formulation. Those videos will be a lot longer, unlike the other ones that are more targeted, but they will be included and are not mandatory. So you can finish the course in the incremental reading flow if you want. Because the knowledge formulation is independent. It's tool agnostic. Even if you are an Anki user or RevNode user, you still get value from this section. And if you notice there are lines, arrows, it's because it's meant to be in this order. That doesn't mean it's self-contained. For instance, where are priorities? Where are those? Oh yeah, in element parameters, or in the incremental routing flow. So it's not in the title. Or the concepts. Oh yeah, the concepts also have default priority, right? We will see that in the later on. But yeah, if priorities are covered here, then I can introduce the default priority of the concept. So I have taken all of that into consideration. So sometimes a feature is partially introduced because it's done on purpose, because this detail will be, for instance, covered in element operations. Or now I do care about the intervals because I want to sort by interval, something like that. So that finishes the introduction of my Pleasurable expansion. And the next video we'll start actually reacting to Fowl videos. Please let me know if that has been clear enough, what you will see in this course, and see you in the next video.